morning, getting together, scraping together some money in order to put it on, and inviting the community to come out and feel good about themselves and feel good about their history and their culture and their heritage, and to celebrate the fact that they're all here together in Canada. And it's because of those volunteers, Mr. Krupich and the people that he's gathered around, that this festival continues to be, I think, a growing, important part of the city of Burnaby. And we were proud to contribute to it and to proclaim Bosnia-Herzegovina Day. And we continue to be very proud of the diverse community that makes Burnaby such a wonderful place to live. Bringing people together to not only to celebrate our differences, but also to work together to assure that we make a better community for all of us is such an important part of my vision for the city of Burnaby and the work that our members of parliament and our MLAs do. So on behalf of the city of Burnaby, we hope you have a wonderful time today. We appreciate everything you do each and every day to make our community better. And we're so glad that you're able to have young talent like this coming up to make all Canadians feel proud. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your kind words. And I would now like to invite Mr. Raj Chauhan, the member of the Legislative Assembly for Burnaby Edmonds, who will also share a few words with us.